Hi guys, I'm Square!
And Kay! And Faye!
We're awesome! And guys, today we're gonna do the challenge, which is eating whatever you land on the mystery wheel challenge! Yay! So, I'm so excited because I'm so hungry, so let's just get started. The rules is, if you land on the boba, we're gonna get 2 points. And the rest of the food will get only 1 point. So I really want to get the boba every time I spin, which is also my target too. And I really love boba, so oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's go eat.
My worst nightmare is to get
The onion? My worst is the carrots, because I hate carrots. Carrot. There's 3 rounds, so each person will spin 3 times. Yay! And now let's get into the wheel. Let's go!
I hope I don't get vegetables.
Stop saying that. Okay, so we're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, wait, you're the first, so we're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No! I'm in last! Okay, so Kiki can go first. Okay, you're gonna be lucky. Let's see what you're gonna get. Mommy has a carrot in the hand right now. You're gonna eat it like mine, like an apple. Okay, here's the carrot. Okay, here you go. Hold it. Ew. For eating the carrot. I think you really like it. Oh my gosh, she's about to cry. Okay. You gotta say that. But at least you got 1 point.
1 point for her. My take to spin. I'm so scared.
Okay, it's Faye's turn.
I'm so scared because he did the vegetable.
Okay, go. Go! No boba, no boba.
Please.
She's gonna get. Oh gosh, she's so lucky.
Mommy will bring it.
Oh my gosh, she's so lucky. Huh? No fair. Uh-oh, my. Oh. How's it, Faye?
Enak, Faye?
Oh, you have to finish it. You have to finish it.
You have to finish it.
You don't like it?
I do.
Why do you want to put it back? Okay, so this was a lucky round for Faye. Okay, so guys, it's my turn. I really want the boba.
No.
Yes.
Get this. Get now. Get this.
Ah, Faye, stop it.
Okay.
Keras.
Okay.
Please, boba.
Please holding back.
But good thing I still get the yummy one, so yay! I got
She
you.
carrots.
She got the worst part from the first round, but I hope she gets a good one next round.
Okay, let's take care of this
Oh
one.
gosh.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Oh, wow, this looks so delish. Look at this. Look at that. Yummy. Look.
Smells already so good.
I know, but there's a little bit carrots, so it's like I'm cheating. Just kidding. I'm not cheating because it's
Mixing.
inside.
She will not eat the carrot part. Is it hot? Is it good?
Yeah, it's hot. It's good.
No.
It's good.
Done.
No.
No, cheater.
No.
No, finish. No, that's not fair.
Okay, fine. No. No, yummy, you know.
Okay, the next round, Kate's turn.
Okay, so guys, round 1 was finished and we all get 1 point. So now we're gonna go to round 2.
I hope I get boba. I mean, I really want to try boba.
And now it's Kate's turn. Go spin it, Kate. Oh my gosh.
Please get onion. Oh no!
Okay, give it to Kate. You can eat the whole plastic if you want. Just kidding.
No!
Just kidding.
I just want one.
Finally can get something yummy. Okay. Yummy!
We have to take all the snacks.
Wait, what? But okay, that was weird. Okay, Kat
Okay, my
doesn't
turn.
even say it's yummy, so it's my turn.
It's yummy.
Oh, yummy. Go!
Mom, that's it. Please.
Something yucky?
Almost.
Almost. Oh
Almost
gosh.
to the ugly vegetable.
So close.
Yeah, so close. Okay. Come on, eat it. Wait.
Almost to the boba.
It's okay if it's hot. Just eat it. It's yummy. Don't really like it even if it's too cold. Is it yummy? You can eat it again. Just, oh my gosh, she eats more than me. She's considered the biggest cheater in the world.
Hey, yeah, I'm gonna put in your face later.
Oh wow, that's weird. I mean, that's rude. Is it yummy? Okay, and now give it back to mommy, and we're gonna go to my turn.
I hope you get garlic.
No, boba.
Nuts.
Go! Oh gosh.
Bad, bad, bad.
Boba, 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 boba.
So close.
Okay, so you don't want to eat it again.
Oh, no.
So sweet.
I don't want to spit it out because I want a point. Okay, so guys, round 2 was finished and we all got 1 point. So right now we all have 2, 2, 2. And we're gonna go to round 3. And I really hate the boiled egg play. Okay, so Kate, you can start.
Okay.
Don't get boba, don't get boba.
Please, do something bad.
No boba. Come on, come on.
She's so close. She's so close, like her.
I really want the boba. Oh my god, Kate, you're gonna get.
Look at this. Look at this. Eat it.
Take a bite from the.
Yang gede atuh. Big bite dong, big bite.
Okay, you get a point.
It's not, guys, it's not cooked yet, so I bet it tastes so bad.
Yeah. My turn.
Okay.
This is my worst nightmare. I don't get that.
No boba. Like
Boba, garlic,
garlic, garlic, garlic, garlic.
garlic.
I mean onion.
Okay.
No, that's not fair. She always get the good one. She needs to get the garlic already. Oh my, you cough.
Oh, she's crying. She's crying.
She's so lucky she got an ice cream.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh man. Next I'm gonna get boba.
No, that's not happening.
Next time you're gonna get onion.
No! No, please don't say that, Daddy. Okay, guys. Yeah, it's my turn. I
Get
really
this,
hope.
get this, get this.
You're so mean. I really hope I get the boba because I feel already get like a yummy ice cream. So go!
Not the boba.
Boba, boba, boba. It's my turn. No! Yay! But still, I didn't get the boba. But also, there's a tiebreaker because we all have the same point.
I get all good.
I'm gonna get the biggest one. Well, I'm gonna find the biggest one. No, the small.
No.
Oh, never mind.
You can also eat all of them.
Yummy.
Just eat it faster. Stop.
I'm sure.
I ate all the bad things. The good one is only chitato.
Okay, guys, this is tiebreaker round 1. So, Kate, you can start, and I hope you don't get any bobas. Okay, we got it.
Please, Boba.
No, no, no. Ooh. She got it.
Wow. I mean, she gets the cookie.
Yeah, you go.
Paling sering itu Citato, ampun.
Oh, she got a big one. Hey, hey. Hey.
What? You ate a lot of ice cream bites.
That's also right.
Okay, so Fei Fei's turn.
Fei Fei.
Okay.
I really want this thing.
No, you may not get it because it's the biggest point. I won't let you get it.
No, let me get it.
Onion, 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 onion.
Si Fei Fei ngegelapin tuh.
This is Fei Fei's first bad luck. She needs to
Good to
eat it.
bad.
It's not
Show
cooked
to the
yet.
camera. Your mouth.
Oh god, that's so yucky. She's
Can I
done.
drink?
She's like so done.
Habisin dulu yang di mulut.
You have to finish it first so you can drink.
Nah.
Ayo.
Eat it all.
Wait, are you okay? Oh my gosh! She's suffering from this sweat and then broccoli. Oh my gosh, she's really embarrassed.
Look at her ear.
Habis tak? Have you finished it? Oh,
Oh, okay, you can drink now.
You can drink now.
Congratulations for the broccoli. Okay, so it's my turn. Okay, I'm excited.
Please,
Boba!
onion.
Boba!
Please,
Boba!
onion.
Wow! I always did that though. This is not. Oh.
Guys, before she cheated, she take 3. I was like, hey, don't take that.
What? It's yummy. Still one B-O-B-A. Boba.
Is it good? I got double cheese. I want
Okay. No, we still have the same
I
point.
never knew that the broccoli. So we got 3.
So we need another tiebreaker round.
Tie. Okay, so Kate first.
Tiebreaker round.
Please not vegetables.
Veggie, veggie.
Please, no.
Oh my gosh, she's crying. Okay, so Kate, eat it like an apple.
If you don't want this, okay. If you want this, okay.
Just eat it.
She's eating it like an apple. It's good.
It's good. She said it's good. It's good. It's good.
And why? Can you stop crying now? If you say it's good.
You want more?
No.
Okay. She's so competitive. She want to win.
My turn. Dolls.
Spin.
What?
Onion. Onion. Onion.
Bob, hey, me. Bob.
Eat the delicious carrot for you.
That's her. I'm a bunny.
You're a bunny.
That's her worst. Right? Is it ducky?
You like it? You like it?
You like it?
Oh, she likes it. Or maybe she's competitive. Right?
Yeah. I mean, the onion tastes like kind of lemon.
Lemon?
Lemon?
What? But I guess it's my turn for the tiebreaker round 2. Okay, so
Your turn, man.
yeah, my turn. Okay, let's see.
Please get onion.
Oh gosh, I don't get to go. Okay, I'm just gonna eat it. I'm so scared.
Is it good? For me, it's good, right? Oh my god! She don't like it.
No.
I like it. I like it, like it, like it, like it, like it. lemonade.
Oh my gosh. Ew, there's broccoli! Wait.
No!
Okay, so guys, this is tiebreaker round 3, and I hope this is the last tiebreaker because, yeah, I don't want this to be so long video. Like, yeah. So, Kate, you can start first. Get that.
Another carrot for you.
I'm a carrot queen. No, you're a bunny.
You're a bunny. Okay, eat it.
Ew, what is this?
That's something.
Why a carrot queen doesn't like a carrot? That's so weird.
Okay.
Ew.
Ew. Not ew.
I would like more to have a bunny.
Okay, so it's Faye's turn. Go, Faye! Oh, God, that is fast.
Not boba, please.
It's not gonna be good.
Wait.
Oh, gosh, she got 2 points.
Get ice cream.
Mix it first.
One. Oh, there's a cute unicorn here.
Okay, eat it. I mean, drink.
Eat it?
Eat? I mean, drink.
Drink it.
We can also eat it because there's the bottle.
Bodo? What is the bodo?
I mean the bottle.
In Indonesian, it's like that. There's like that word, but it's not good.
Bobo.
It's not bobo.
You like it?
It's my turn, but I really want to get the bobo. So, come on. 2 winners. Come on. 3, 2, 1.
It's not boba.
Boba.
Just garlic.
Still, she's the winner. Oh my God, this is not fair. Okay, so guys, let's eat.
Oh my gosh, you eat too much. It smells. You eat too
It's
much.
nothing. Oh no! Stop drinking. It's so yummy. How about you, Kate?
I eat air. Just keep eating carrot.
Okay, so the winner is Faye. No, I didn't get any chance to eat my boba. But now we're gonna eat everything in the quiz. So I'm gonna get to eat the broccoli and the carrot.
Who's the pop me? I'm not eating this. I'm only eating that. I'm only eating this one.
Oh ya?
But you have
Itu
to.
pakai pop mie enak itu, Pe.
Yes?
Cemplungin ke pop mie.
No, I don't want it.
I can't stop eating the ice cream. Since she's so I won't
Want to
stop.
change?
Sure. Whoa. Yeah, duh.
I mean, I really want the ice cream.
I really want the bubble.
The boba tastes so good.
Oh, this is delicious. I love the boba more. You want some?
Thanks.
You drink a lot.
Plak, Pe. Murag.
Oh my gosh, you eat too many. Can I try the egg?
You want to eat
Sure.
the egg? Okay. I mean, there.
Yummy.
You like it? I don't like it. This is pretty bad.
Yummy.
Are you gonna finish it? Don't tell me you're gonna finish it.
I don't know. No, I don't want.
Okay.
Ini pop mie nih, sama pop mie enak.
Put it inside. Oh, there's the eggshell.
Did I?
Oke, nih makan.
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe,
Like and
share, See you later, guys. Bye. Ooh, I want some. Give me that. Give me that. Oh my.
Fine, I'll eat the rest ice cream.
I think I'm gonna finish this boba. It's delicious.